Do you know the meaning of caer mal? This is a popular Spanish expression. Let's find out the meaning of this. Hi everyone, today we will learn a Spanish expression. The Spanish expression of the day is caer mal. Caer mal. Do you know what this means? This literally means to fall bad. Caer mal as an expression means to dislike or to not like. Use this expression with caution because you might make someone angry. In order to use this expression, you need to know the conjugation of the Spanish verb caer. Caer. Now let's see a few examples using this expression. Me caes mal. Me caes mal. Te caigo mal. Te caigo mal. A Miguel le cae mal María. A Miguel le cae mal María. No me caes mal. No me caes mal. Las personas groseras me caen mal. Las personas groseras me caen mal. Okay, that was the expression of the day. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Also, if you like what I do, please consider donating to this channel on smlessons.com. You only need to click on donate. Also, I'm leaving the link to that in the video description down below. You can also support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!